I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can create slow motion video on TikTok. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about TikTok. It's an app where you can create videos easily, join daily live streams and find new creators. Now open up TikTok app on your phone. After you open up the app, at the bottom of your screen there you'll see a plus sign. Tap on it. On the middle of your screen there you'll see 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 0.5 times, 0.3 times. Slow down the video by either 0.3 times or 0.5 times depending on how slow you want the video to be. After you have selected the speed, you can also add filters to it, beautify it, set timer and turn on flash. Then to take video, tap and hold on the big red circle. This way you can create slow motion video on TikTok. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.